Alright, today we'll be talking about embedded data. So what is embedded data? Embedded data is any information that we collected from participants in a survey and use it in a panel. So embedded data provide information such as age, gender, status, or states. These information can be used to tailor your surveys to a particular group of participants based on gender, age group, or their status. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be showing you how to use embedded data in display logic, quotas, as well as use embedded data to collect information as to what social media sites a respondent came from. First off, we'll be looking at the display logic. So for this video, we had 4 survey questions, 2 of which we would like to tailor it to different participant based on their gender. So first off, we would go to the advanced question options, add a display logic, and go to embedded data. And for the embedded data field, we would provide gender. And if the gender is equal to female, then this question will be displayed. We'll do the same thing for question 4, add a display logic, embedded data, field is gender, and if it's equal to male, then this question would be displayed. So let's see how that would work. Now we'll be distributing the surveys. Alright, so after we sent the survey to our participant, as you can see, in the survey, one of the questions did not appear due to the fact that the participant is a male, and therefore the question related to female did not show up.
Embedded data can be used for quotas. Setting up a quota allows you to keep track of how many respondents meet a condition in your survey. Using quotas, you can also specify what will happen to your respondents once a quota has been filled. The main purpose of a quota is to make sure that you obtain the exact amount of data that your study requires. For this example, I'm going to show you how setting up a quota can affect a specific question in a given survey. We are going to have a certain question stop showing up in a survey once the quota has been met, and in this case, if 2 participants under the age of 24 have already taken the survey, the question will no longer appear when others take it. Now, taking a look at question number 2, please indicate your work status, part-time, full-time, and other. You first select this question, then go to Advanced Options. Under the drop-down menu, you go down and click on Quotas. You press Add Quota, then on the left side of the screen, it will give you Set Count option, which indicates the limit of how many people you believe will satisfy your study results. For this example, we will use 2. On the right side of the screen, it gives you different options to help apply the embedded data that we want. Under the question option, we will choose embedded data. In the field name option, we type in age. In the next 2 options, this will allow you to choose how to edit the value. In this case, we will change it to less than and add a value of 24. The plus and minus sign right beside it allows you to add more conditions if required. By doing this, it will make the specified quota apply only to the people within the panel that are less than the age of 24. Now, after selecting the specific embedded data and setting its values, the options under it will allow you to choose what to do with the question once the quota has been met. For our example, we will choose Do Not Display Question. And under it, we will choose the question that says, Please indicate your work status. And in this box right here, we check it to make sure that once the quota has been met, the question will not be displayed. Then click Save. After this process is done and the survey is sent out to the people in your panel, the question will only show up if the quota is not met. But once the quota has been met, the following persons taking the survey will not see the question.